everybody, today I'm going to show you what I'm going to pack tomorrow for my traveling day. It will take 7 hours to fly. First, my sister will take her cute. Her name is Bowie. She wants to take it. It will go here. She wants to take her butterfly thing because she likes butterflies and she never stops getting out of them. Normal tissues. Chewing gum. She likes chewing gum. Sanitizer. We always need sanitizer. Wipes, because maybe in the airport and the plane they don't have somewhere to wash their hands. Double game. Crayons for coloring. Candy. A book where you can write. Maths. Addition. That's for my sister. And there's a coloring book. Couldn't fit. And this is my battleship. 2 players. It's for 7+. And her bag. Ooh, it has her iPod. So she can listen to Quran and she can listen to stories and songs. And she can also see cartoons. And bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.